In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage notifications in Perplexity AI. If your inbox is getting cluttered or you just want more control over the messages you receive, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to adjust. By the end, you'll know how to turn specific email updates on or off so you get only what's useful and nothing that's distracting. First, open your Perplexity account. Head to the website or app and sign in so you're on your home screen. If you use more than one profile, make sure you're in the right one before changing preferences. A desktop browser can make the layout easier to navigate, but the steps are the same on mobile. Once you're in, you're ready to fine-tune the way Perplexity reaches out to you. Next, go to the Account area. On desktop, you'll typically find it by clicking your profile avatar or initials in the top right corner. On mobile, it may appear in the main menu. Open Account to access your personal options. This is where Perplexity groups your preferences, profile details, and controls that influence how the service interacts with you. Inside that menu, choose All Settings. This takes you to a single, organized page where everything you can configure is collected in one place. It's useful because you won't have to jump around or guess where something lives. From here, you can quickly move to the exact section that governs your notifications. Now, select Notification. This is the dedicated area for communication preferences. You'll see options tailored to messages. Perplexity may send, such as product updates, helpful tips, or activity summaries, depending on your account. Think of this as your control panel for staying informed without getting overwhelmed. Scroll down to the Email Settings section. Here, you can toggle individual items on or off. If you prefer a quiet inbox, turn off anything you don't need, like general newsletters or non-essential updates. If certain messages are important to you, such as occasional summaries or key service announcements, keep those toggled on. Changes typically apply right away, so there's nothing extra you need to do. Take a moment to read each label and choose what truly helps you stay productive. And that's all it takes. Open your Perplexity account, go to Account, choose All Settings, enter Notification, and adjust the email toggles to match your preferences. Revisit these options anytime your needs change and enjoy a cleaner, more focused inbox while still receiving the updates that matter most.